Dear student, hope you are well with the blessing of Allah. I am also fine with the blessing of Allah. Now I am taking a class, physics first part, Newtonian mechanics, a very important topics, very juicy topics. And the name of our topics is Newton's third law and working. What is the relation between third law and working of man? First of all, we can remember the third law of Newton. That the third law is every action have a equal and reaction, opposite reaction. Third law is every action has equal and opposite reaction. So, if I put 5 Newton force into the ground, so the ground react 5 Newton force, that is plus 5 and minus 5 equal 0. So there is no force when you work. But how can you walk into the ground? Very interesting topics. So that is a very funny. So how can you walk and where we get a force to work into the ground? Now we can see, we draw a lake into the board when we create action that is PQ into the ground, then the ground create reaction that called PR. And there is the angle theta with the reaction and the ground. Here the reaction divided two components, r cos theta and r sin theta. One is vertical and one is horizontal. Here r sin theta is dismissed by our weight. So only the effective force is r cos theta. So when you work into the ground, then r cos theta is effective. That's why we can work into the ground. Dear student, I can repeat again that when we create action into the ground, that called PQ, the ground create reaction that called PR. Here the reaction divided two components, r sin theta and r cos theta. Here r sin theta is dismissed by our weight and the effective force r cos theta is spread. That's why we can work into the ground. So my dear student, after completing this video, you can easily understand how can you work and where from we get force to working, and what is the relation between Newton's third law and working. So please welcome to watch my next video. Until then, thank you.